Alright, so this is going to be the start of the series on testing out the parts that Hyway sent me. So I've got my 044 here, probably my favourite saw, my biggest saw. They've sent me a new clutch bearing for it, so pop the circlip off. This is kind of a how to change it as well as a changing it. Pull the little washer off, pull your rim sprocket off, your clutch off, and you've got your bearing there. Now get a clean rag. I like to use some Method clean saw because it takes off the grease. It's alcoholic, but it also doesn't take off the paint, which mineral turpentine or something along those lines, that takes off the paint. Method doesn't, and it dries itself pretty quick. So clean the crankcase stub, get the sprocket while it's off. I'll clean the inside there because you get quite a lot of wood build up on the inside there. See, that's just come off the inside of the clutch drum. Just go on round with the clean part of the cloth and clean that up. Then also clean the inside bit that the bearing is going to be going on. Grab the bearing out. So they have everything individually bagged in these little baggies, which, yeah, damn it, I just dropped it. I'm not a fan of. I prefer to, save the environment. Alright, so I found it. So reinstalling that, you put the bearing on, you put your clutch drum on, and in there you should see the little doohickey mabob for your oil gear. So you drop your clutch on and there's a little notch in your clutch. That goes on the little metally wire from your oil drive gear, and when you have it on perfectly you should hear it kind of click in, and it should sit about flush with the bearing. Now you put your rim drive on, your little washer and your E-clip, circlip, and get your pliers to push it on, but I still like to keep a finger on it because they pop off and they go wherever they feel like. So you hear that click on and it's all good. And that's redoing your clutch drum bearing. This one's, when you compare it to the Hyway one, it's actually pretty old, so I'll keep that round as a spare in case I blow one, just so I can keep the saw going. So that's good.